Welcome to West Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and very good afternoon and good day to all of my friends. And today I am come up with pork sausages pulao. It's already there one video, but I'm doing it again on demand. So this is I'm doing with open pan. Last time I had done it in the pressure cooker. So I've taken around like this, uh, 5 of this, so it is like around quarter kg of uh, pork sausages, Goan pork sausages. And these are 2 onions, oil for frying, one tomato without seeds. I've taken out all the seeds, so that is one. And one bay leaf, one small stick of cinnamon, one black cardamom, 2 cloves, and 3 peppercorns. So when it comes, you get it like this also. You get beads also, whichever you want you can buy from the market. This is easy to remove out. And so these are my homemade, and I will share you the link also again in the description box, how you can make Goan pork sausages meat at home. The meat masala, the procedure, everything I have shown it over there. So I will again share the link. Please have a look. And this is easy actually, because the meats are in the case, and the beads are also okay. If you have the bead sausages, that is also okay. So let's start. So I've taken one vatki or cup or bowl of this rice, and I've taken normal rice. You can take basmati. I have taken the jeera rice. Okay, the fine jeera rice, which is also very tasty and healthy. Basmati is little bit heavier side, so I always use my jeera rice. So I've taken that, and the water will be hot boiling water I'll be using. Measurement will be 2 of this. Okay. So whatever quantity of rice you are using, please see that you double the amount what I have shown you. Like the sausages also, you will have to double if you are taking 2 cups of or 2 watkis of rice, or depending on how much quantity of rice and how much quantity of pork sausages, and the other ingredients you take according to what you are taking. And see that you use the spices, the dry spices less, because in pork sausages everything is been marinated and used for the masala, so it be little bit of spicy tangier side, so that you have to take care. So let's fry our bay leaf and all, and the whole masalas, that is spices, whole spices. Let it fry for a little while, and then we'll add our onion. Now we'll add our onion to this. Wash the rice and soak the rice for at least 30 minutes before cooking. There are lots of videos on Goan pork sausages if you are making it at home or you are getting it from market, and so many dishes you can make out of this Goan pork sausages. So now the onions are fried nicely. Now this is optional. If you want, you can. If you don't want, then just don't add the tomatoes. Now at this time we will add salt to taste and turmeric powder. So salt to taste. Sausages are also having salt and turmeric powder, which gives a nice color. So I am taking around half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I've kept my hot boiling water. And now we will add our sausages. And let this cook for at least 5 minutes in this, before we could add our rice. So I will add little bit of water and let it get cooked little bit. I will cook this for 5 minutes covered. So now after 5 minutes we'll add our soaked washed rice. And fry this little bit nicely with all this. Before we could add the water to this. On the slow, I will just keep this for few minutes and then I will add the water. Now we will add the hot water, which is very hot. It's hot. And we will mix this slowly. Check the salt. And let it cook till the water is absorbed and rice is cooked. Only note down whatever rice you are adding. See that, like if you are adding 1 cup, then water will always go double. So 2 cups of water. So sometime you will have to put 2 and 1/4 if you are cooking it in open pan. And if you are cooking it in pressure cooker, please see my recipe. I will share that link. It is like 1.5 cup. So that is the measurement in pressure cooker different and in the open pan it is different. So we'll cover this and we will cook this on slow fire. At least 10 minutes it will take. 10 to 15 minutes it should go. So I will cover and let it get cooked. So this is now 5 minutes. The water is reduced but not completely. So we'll have to wait. And so here the water is this and it's done. I will show you with fork. Always use fork to check. So here I am showing you how the water is fully this, and the rice is cooked. Nice color, and sausage pulao is ready. And when I was frying that 5 minutes before the sausages, I had kept it little bit like few, so then I can garnish it with that also, because whenever we put sausages in our pulao, like you can't see only the meat where it is. It's like the flavor is always there. So yes, the sausage pulao is ready to serve, and hope you will enjoy this sausage pulao. I will taste and tell you. It's hot. It's nice. Not very spicy, not very hot. And I will keep this for like a dum for another 5 minutes before serving this. Okay, so again I will put off the gas, and I will cover this and keep it like this only for 5 minutes more, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this Goan sausage pulao, and this is open pan. I have with a pressure cooker also. Please do watch that also if you want a quicker one. Thank you.